everyone. Today I'll introduce the installation and usage tutorial of the Cleartide submersible water pump with tethered float switch. Submersible water pump are widely used in application scenarios such as pond, flooded house, garden irrigation, window wells, and other general water removal.
Let's open the box and see what's inside. There is one manual, one adapter, another adapter,
one elbow fitting, and one submersible water pump. The following tools may be used when installing a pump. This is the pump inlet, which can filter out particles of 1/8 inch or 3/8 inch. The pump is equipped with two hose adapters. One is a horizontal outlet, and the other is a vertically upward outlet, meeting the needs of different usage scenarios. Connect the outlet hose to the pump. The float switch automatically controls the pump's starting and stopping by triggering its internal switch as the float rises and falls with water level. Its cable, rationally designed, resists tangling and is easy to use. The float rises to activate the pump when the water level reaches switch on level. The float drops to deactivate the pump when the water level reaches switch off level. The pump operates stably with a high flow rate and discharge height.